Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to add categories and items to your gradebook on Desire to Learn. First, we're going to go to the Grades tab here. Then we will click on Manage Grades. And then, as you can see, we have I already pre-made a list of grades here with categories. First, we'll insert a new category. In order to do that, we'll go ahead and click New, the drop-down box, and it'll allow us to choose between item and category. So let's click category for right now. And then here we have a few boxes. If you want to change the settings, you can change these settings here, but since this actually isn't a grade, we will just name it right here. So this one we will call week 5. And then once you're finished, you can also apply a shortened name here. Once you're finished, go ahead and click Save and Close here down at the bottom. You also have Save and New, Just Save, and you can have Cancel as well. But let's click Save and Close. So as you can see here, we have our category. This category, there's a drop-down arrow next to each item and a category where it'll allow you to edit, hide from users, enter grades for a specific item, view stats, event logs. As you can see, you have the same thing for these different items here as well. Next, now that we have our category created, we have to put items into the category. So the next step would be to create the items. So we'll go ahead and go back to New up at the top. We'll click Item. And this time it'll give us an option to choose a different grade type. So we can do numeric as an 8 out of 10. There's a select box, pass-fail formula, calculated. For right now, we'll do numeric. We'll just click that link here. And then it'll take us back to the same page where we can add different settings here. First, we will put in our name. So we're going to do week 5 discussion grade. It also allows you to apply a shortened name, add a category, and then show you grading settings. So we'll change our settings of the points. Here we'll type in the number of our maximum points here. We also have different options here. Can exceed, bonus, exclude from final grade calculation, and grade scheme. We can also add rubrics if we'd like to as well. Once we are finished with our project, with our grade item, we'll go ahead and click Save and Close again, and we have the same options again. Save and New, Save, Cancel, but for right now we'll click Save and Close. Now, in order to make sure that these items go into the appropriate week, it's important to do 1 week at a time. So if you do all of your categories first, they'll be grouped in a category. And then if you do all of your items afterward, it's a little more difficult to get them to go into the appropriate week. So like week 1 discussion grade being within week 1 category. If there is, for whatever reason, a desire to adjust the order, you can click More Actions. This will give you a few different options. You can delete things, hide from users, make visible to users, but you can also reorder it. So if you wanted to, you can select a different order here. So right now we have week 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4. All these different items are set in that order. If you wanted to swap one, like swap week 5 to down here and put this up here, you would just click swap this to 10 and then 9, and then you'd click Save. And as you can see right here, we have our week 5 and our discussion grade flip-flopped. So let's go ahead and reset that because I want it to stay in the correct order. So we will select this to 9 and then save.